I don't know how to do this stuff really, by the way. I haven't tinkered with like electronics since I was in primary school, I think. I bought a ONAN Booster X2. The battery kept falling out for one thing. It didn't click in. That's not the main problem, but then it just stopped working. Here you can see, here is my... So I contacted ONAN and they said just send them the mainboard, which is this part, which I'm trying to put back in right now. Anyway, so now I'm trying to get this new one they sent me back in, and here we go. I think it was $6.50 for the boosted 2. I was pretty happy with it. I might be happy with it again. We'll see if it works. So I thought it was worth the money, yeah. But that's Australian dollars, by the way. First, voila. Red wire. Okay, blue wire, red wire. Now for the black wire. Stress me out. There we go. 3 wires. The 3 wires are done, my friend. Gotta have the patience, mate. Please just work. Oh, I'm gonna break it. Good job, good job, good job. Don't break. On. Come on. Pride comes before the fall. I don't want to stuff it up right at the end. And that's it. Oh, I think that's it. Okay, this should go in here. Is this? I need to find the remote controller. Yes, if you don't have the remote controller. Where did I put the remote controller? I think the remote controller is in one of my drawers. The remote controller. And for the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay, I'm very scared. Please work. Okay, here we go people. This is it. I've got to pair it. And folks, we'll be right back after I learn how to pair the remote controller to the new board. Okay, to pair the remote controller, this thing to and this is the moment. Check out those wheels, baby. Oi. It's really a 50-50 with this board, I reckon. My first one lasted a good 6 months. It was awesome to and from work. I upgraded to this, had problem. And while I was waiting, I bought a boosted board. And look, now that I'm riding this compared to my boosted, this feels like a toy. It's not as responsive. The boosted board has the flex, so it's just so much more comfortable. It's awesome. Read the reviews. I was at this point that the board stopped working again. But I've got my boosted board, so all good. I've contacted ONAN. They're in the process of getting back to me to find out the problem. So we could be starting all over again. Out of all the cheap Chinese alternative electric skateboards, ONAN is in the top 3, and there's a lot of them. The ONAN's basically an imitation of a mallow board, but there are a lot of good reviews, there's a few bad reviews. Maybe I just got unlucky and I got one of the defective skateboards. If you want a good, reliable skateboard, you've got to go to one of the major expensive brands because they're trustworthy.